Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to leave a workspace in Slack. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Slack, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Leaving a workspace in Slack is a straightforward process that is beneficial, especially if you have finished working on a project and no longer need to be involved. Leaving the workspace can help you focus on current tasks. For example, your role in the organization may have changed, making your involvement in a particular workspace unnecessary. Now, once you are here on the Slack account, I want you to go to your profile icon. And there should be an option here. Go to profile. And then click the three dots or ellipsis buttons. Go to account settings. Now, this will open a new window wherein if you hover down below, if you click on the deactivate account, for example, you are the primary owner of the Andy's Guides, so you can deactivate your account. But the thing is, if you delete the workspace right here, you have an option to do that, all right? Deleting a Slack workspace cannot be undone, so do that cautiously. All messages and files will be irretrievable. Of course, use caution and consider exporting your data before deletion. Okay? Now, the thing is, you have to read and understand the information here at the bottom. Do not delete your workspace if you just want to change your workspace name or URL, because you might want to, export your data before deleting the workspace. But if you really wanted to delete that after all and you can't change your mind, just click this option. Now, if in any case you're having troubles or issues deleting the workspace, for example, you delete this bottom but nothing's happening, right? You might want to go to the help section at the upper right corner. Just click on contact us option. Okay? Because it happened to me in the past. There could be a bug or a glitch, we don't know. Enter a topic, type in your questions. You might want to also give some details. You can add a file for supplementary information, just like that, and wait for it. And once you send the message, just wait for the response, because one of the Slack customer support staff will give you troubleshooting steps and insights on how to potentially fix the issue, okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.